So here we have the Eastwood HotCoat PCS-1000. We've sold a lot of these over the last few years. Many happy with the performance. Some, not so much. Why? Trouble with the fluidizing hopper setup and multiple coats. So what we do? Well, simply, we listened. We listened to the customers. Check this out. So here's the all new Eastwood HotCoat 100kV powder coating system. Let me tell you a little bit more in detail. So we have a complete redesign of the high voltage circuit board and components for more accurate control of both kV and amperage output. We added individual kV and amperage output controls along with digital displays, so there's no switching between the two. The more accurate control and adjustability of kV from 0 to 100 and amperage from 16 to 99 microamp allow you to precisely dial in what's required for your parts. We also added an additional independent air circuit for fluidizing hoppers. With that, we added a dosing air circuit again, so you can dial in the exact powder flow you want from your fluidizing hoppers to fit your needs. We have the same 3-year warranty and the same try it before you buy policy. We have included our very popular 2-pound hopper that effectively atomizes both solid and metallic powders. We increased the emitter diameter almost 3 times from the previous unit, which creates a much larger corona charge cone for more efficient powder charging and achieving those multiple coats. Integrated a high-intensity LED light for on-the-fly coverage control, and completely redesigned the gel pack, which more accurately controls kV and amperage for better, more uniform coverage. So when you look at the powder guns, there's 2 things that really determine performance. It's what's called the gel pack, or your voltage multiplier, which is going to be in the gun. This is what takes your relatively low voltage coming from your control panel up to the gun, turns this into the higher, up to 100 kV. Quality of the components in here is what determines the controllability and output of that kV. The other is your emitter. This fine wire here, that's what takes that high voltage charge through the gun, goes to the emitter, and then it sets up a corona charge ring here. It's about the size of like a golf ball. So then the particles of powder that come out of the gun pass through that, pick up a high volt charge, and then want to go to the grounded part, which is what you're coating. You can see on our new design, emitter is substantially larger in diameter. What that does is that sets up a much larger charge cone area, more like the size of a baseball or a softball. So now chances are much greater for every piece of or particle of powder to pick up that high volt charge and go to your piece. Less overspray. You can throw powder out there at a larger volume so you can get into those Faraday areas quick, get them coated and get out. The magic of this gel pack in here, you'll never see it. We don't want to show it. And 2, we buried it in epoxy inside the gun. So you're just gonna have to trust us on this one. This thing sprays a lot better. In fact, I'll put it back together and we'll just coat some objects so you can see for yourself. No use me sitting here telling you stuff.